everyone, it's Miss Milan and welcome to Hairstyle.com. So what I'm going to do is demo this particular look and then I will showcase it on Monday. I will bring up some pictures of how it looked on my hair, okay? So you guys stay tuned and enjoy this video because you're going to be in for a treat, okay? Now, I just wanted to chime in real quickly and let you know that now I'm in the center portion of my wefted hair, and I'm going to divide it into 3 parts. So I'm going to have a bottom, a middle, and a top crimp, because this is now where the density is in the center of this wefted hair that I created. You guys might have seen me make it a few months ago. And the hair comes from Evolve Effect Hair Studios. So I made this ponytail, it's 26 inches, and now I'm doing a demo on how to crimp it the old school way. So let me just show you guys how far I've come. You guys see that? Isn't that beautiful? OMG. Yeah, so I gotta just keep going, but I just wanted to chime in real quick and just let you guys know that when you get to the center section, that's where your density is, and that's where you're going to need to break it into 3 parts versus 2 parts that I originally started with. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of information about that. Break it into 3s. So you're going to have a top, a middle, no, you're going to have a bottom, a middle, and a top section. Let me repeat that. You're going to start at the bottom, then you're going to have a middle section, and then you're going to have a top section of crimping in the center area because of the density. That's where a lot of the wefted hair is intensified. So now I'm going to show you an example what I'm doing. This is my section, okay? This is my section. So I just completed the bottom. So now I'm going to do a middle, and this is going to be my top crimp section, okay? So we're going to do a middle. Spray it really good because this area is really dense, a lot of density. All right, here we go. Show you guys this. All right, here we go. This hair can take some heat too. I like this. It's resistant. Sometimes when you purchase hair that isn't good quality, let me say that again. Sometimes when you purchase hair that isn't good quality, it burns quickly. But Evolve Effect Hair Studios, let me tell you, they got it going on, you guys. I highly recommend. I am a loyal customer of theirs. I highly recommend that you purchase hair from them. You will not be disappointed. At least I haven't been. And this is some really, really nice hair. This is the relaxed straight hair. And it has its own natural crimps, but I was going for a retro crimped look, how we used to get down when I started doing hair back in the 80s. And so now I'm going to top the tip off, and I'm just going to bump it under, and voila. And let's spray it and secure. You always want to spray and secure. And that was Paul Mitchell Freeze and Shine. You guys see that? See that effect? Lovely, isn't it? All right, I'm going to do the top, and then I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm all done. You might want to spray it underneath, secure it, comb it through, and let's go. I tap the base because it gives me an idea if I'm going to sear the hair or not. So if you just tap the base and it comes out seared, meaning like the hair starts burning and getting white, that lets you know you definitely don't want to crimp. when it's that temperature, because that is just too hot, okay? So, the spray is evaporating because I have my fan on in my studio. Okay. Going. And the purpose of spraying is to lock in the crimps, because if you don't saturate it properly with hairspray, the crimps just don't have a good foundation. They're quick to dissipate on you, so you want to have a good foundation with the hairspray. And the one that I recommend is Freeze and Shine. It's a strong hold, but it's not too strong to hold. When we finish this video, I have another spray that I like to set it with. Okay, you guys see that? Isn't that gorgeous? I'm gonna be cute this weekend. Whoa, whoa. All right, when I hit that stage, hey. All right, y'all, I'm gonna chime out and I'll be back. This might be just a little too hot because I can see that one hair went blonde on me. And I'm trying to keep her jet black, okay? I don't want no seared, wefted hair. But if it gets too hot, it will go blonde on you, okay? And it will hit the floor. So you don't want it to go blonde and you don't want it to hit the floor. I'm just saying. All right, YouTubers, thanks for watching Hair Psychic. You can also visit my website at hairpsychic.com. And this is going to be my last section. Let me make sure I don't burn it, y'all, okay? That's the last thing I want to do with this being my last section. I ran out of my Freeze and Shine spray because it evaporates with the heat and also the fan blowing. So my next go-to is called Pump It Up. And this is another old school spray. This came out in the 90s. I love this hairspray. I usually like to seal my crimps and finish my top of the base of my ponytail with Pump It Up because it gives you the ultimate shine and the ultimate hold as well. So this is the last section, and I just want to run this by. I want you guys to see this technique that I'm doing. Okay? Y'all see this? And you just keep moving. The iron is cooling off. So I'm gonna saturate it again with some more spray. Okay. My bottle got welted with the stove. It was placed next to the stove when I first started this video. So my bottle got melted. So you gotta be careful when you're using the stove. I'm telling y'all, this is no joke. This is for like the pros in the hair game. These new school cats that's doing hair, oh no, they rocking them plug-ins because they can't handle this heat from this stove right here. They can't handle it. They too scarred, okay? But as old schoolers, this is how we got down back in the day because we didn't have no plug-ins. Plug-ins didn't even exist, and if they did exist, they just wasn't hot enough for ethnic hair texture. So that was never an option for us. We just had to learn. It's like cooking. You had to learn how to adjust to the temperature. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Hair Psychic. This is my finished wefted 26-inch relaxed straight hair from Evolve Effect Hair Studios. And as you can see, I've got the deep crimps in. The bottom is sealed and curled under. And I can't wait to rock this Friday night at my comedy show. This is going to be a side ponytail with the crimps, and I will showcase it on Monday. I'll have some photos to share with you guys of how it looks on me when I'm on stage. And I have another event that I will be going to on Saturday and rocking this side ponytail with 26-inch relaxed straight hair with the old school Marcel crimps. You guys see how beautiful this is? It's beautiful, it's shiny. I'm gonna top it off with the Pump It Up hairspray. I had to go to this because I ran out of the Freeze and Shine. But the Pump It Up hairspray locks in. I'm gonna go underneath too. It locks in and it defines the crimps so that your crimps stay lasting for at least 3 to 4 days, if not more. Because I like it to look like this. I don't want it to go wavy until probably day 6 or day 7. And then I'm gonna also use the Chi Shine Spray. And I'm gonna put a link in the description box. I love this because the shine helps to also, you know, magnify the crimps, okay? Y'all need to call me, Miss Milan, okay? You can call me, you can talk live, we can laugh, we can talk, and we can learn. I want to share with you guys a lot of my techniques and also just the drama I went through being a hairstylist, okay? A lot of times people are like, hair psychic? It's not like what you think. It's just the name. It's called hair psychic because people love to pick my brain and ask me questions about the hair industry because I have 35 years experience and I'm also a licensed cosmetology instructor as well. So I have a vast array of knowledge in all hair types, and I'd love to share it with you. I love to make you guys laugh because I am a stand-up comedian, so I've got lots of drama, lots of stories to share with you guys. So please, don't be afraid. Call me, 888-920-1118, and I look forward to speaking with you, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Support me. That's right, I need you to subscribe. I'm gonna need you to like this video, share this video, and comment in the section below about this technique. I want to hear what you guys think. Would you rock these crimps? Because honey, that's what I'm about to do this Friday and Saturday night. I'm about to rock this like this. This hair came up out my scalp, okay? So, thanks again for watching. You can also click the bell in the top right corner and you will be notified of my next video. I put out videos every Wednesday and I'm excited. You can follow me on Instagram at The Real Hair Psychic. That's right, I am the real deal, okay? Yeah. So follow me at The Real Hair Psychic on Instagram. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.